This is part two of a two-part series about raising tuition in your music school. Like I said in the first part, raising tuition is often a difficult and painful decision for any business owner. Music studios, for whatever reason, we have a tendency to resist this tuition increase more than a lot of other businesses, and I think the reason might be because we have such a close relationship to our customers, and we don't want to break this bad news to them. But here's something I want you to consider. Let's say you've got 80 students in your school. Okay, so that's a relatively nice, moderate sized music school, not too small, not a large 300 to 500 student count. And let's say you raise tuition just $10. Well, that's $800 a month now that you've got to work with. That's going to have a significant impact on your ability to operate. Now let's look at it from the customer side. $10 increase, they're not going to even notice. They're not going to feel it. $10 isn't going to make or break anyone. And if it is, they probably shouldn't be enrolled in music lessons at this point. I mean, think about when your cable bill goes up $10. Cable company doesn't even tell you, or maybe they do. You don't read the letter. You just pay it, and you value that cable service. So if your music lessons went up $15 to $20, I guarantee you very few people would notice. I have been running a music school for 15 years. I've been raising my tuition $5 to $10 every year for the last 8 years. I've had I've had one person actually point it out and dispute it or make an issue with it. They continued on in the school. And I've had one other person kind of make a passing moment, or passing comment, tuition went up. And it's so funny, they were just trying to be cute, trying to be funny, but it hurt when I heard it, because it made me think, oh wow, I bet other people, yes, this person seems to be kidding, they're being sarcastic, but I wonder how many people are upset about the increase. And you know what, maybe some of them are. They're not going to be too upset. Your cable bill, you open a letter that says your cable bill has gone up $10. Okay, not the best news you heard of the day, but you're gonna mourn that increase and get over it probably within 30 seconds. So really, when it comes time to consider a tuition increase, put yourself in your customer's shoes. Think how you react when a service or product goes up in price by a small amount. The pain it's causing your customer is minimal, but the flexibility it's giving you is substantial, and it will cause your customer even more pain if you're unable to keep your doors open. And a part of growing your business is increasing your prices. So next time you think about raising your tuition, don't think twice. Do it.